In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore deleted messages on Instagram.
But let's say you have Instagram open, you might have deleted some messages, or someone else might have deleted messages that you want back, for pretty much anything you want. And this goes for even chats that you've previously deleted, you can't get back because you might not remember their usernames. So what you want to do is just open up Instagram fresh, and then from here on the bottom right, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon. You're going to see all your different posts, different things like that. On the top right, you're going to see those three little lines. Click on those. Now, once you're here, all you want to do is go ahead and press the account center, which is the Meta account center. And it's also the first option. From here, just scroll down until you're in account settings and then go to the third option, which is your information and permissions. So go ahead and click on that. And then the first option is going to be export your information. It says to download or transfer a copy of your information, go to export your information. And this basically downloads all the data from your Instagram. It might do it as like a PDF document or just a, like a text file, something very simple, but it's going to show everything, like all your chats, whether it's deleted or not, and all messages as well. So all you got to do is press export information, then log into your Instagram account, and then all your messages and everything will be sent to your email.